Cardano has a major catalyst coming up that could be really good for the coin's overall price. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Cardano analysis. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock, not a crypto, but a stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. When you guys use that link, you get to sign up and be a part of a great social investing network. And it's literally free money. All you have to do is deposit $1 with them, and then you can even take it out after if you want. We don't care what you do with it, but it would be great to support the channel. And it's a great social investing network that you can be a part of, and of course, see what your friends are buying and selling. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, here we are with Cardano, or ADA, whatever you would like to refer to it as. More people refer to it though, of course, as Cardano. We're sitting at about $2.27 here on the last 24 hours, just up about 2.17%. So really not too much volatility, right? We've seen kind of just a tight trading between the kind of $2.20 area all the way up to about highs of around here at $2.29. And we just kind of been trading pretty tightly within that range. If we go back to the last week, we have been on a little bit of a downtrend here. Last week we started off a lot stronger obviously than we are ending off the week now at 9.47% down from previous highs. If we go to the month, we are still down 16%, and overall the year, well, the year we're looking very nicely, of course, with this crazy bull market that we are in right now. It's just incredible stuff to see with some of these coins. Now, a lot of people keep asking me, they keep asking everybody else, I've seen it in the comments a million times over, is it a bad idea to buy Cardano at these levels that it's at right now? And that's more of a long-term kind of perspective, right? If you're more of a long-term investor, that's what you're kind of looking at and thinking about. A lot of people, of course, also too want to know, is it smart to trade it right now, right? Is Cardano expected to go higher in the next coming months? Well, we do have a interesting news article that I found that highlights a catalyst that I think actually could be a big deal, could be a decent sized deal for Cardano, and we could see a decent run because of it. Now, that's not guaranteed, obviously, but I say we read into this and see what it's all about, and I'll give my opinions, of course, on it and see where Cardano could be headed because of this catalyst. So here we are. Up and coming Cardano Summit promises an epic virtual world experience. The Cardano Summit 2021 is due to take place on September 25th to the 26th. You can join the event for free by registering at, there's the link. Up until recently, details surrounding the summit were thin on the ground. However, it was known to be a mix of virtual and live events from around the world. However, developers Input Output Global, or IOG, emailed out further details on Tuesday, revealing what they meant by virtual. Instead of simply being remote, the summit will feature the exploration of virtual worlds combined with a typical conference setup. Wow, really interesting stuff there. However, I just read that again. As expected, being a novel approach to crypto conferencing, expectations for a blockbuster event are high. Doubly so with the promise of mind-blowing announcements during the event, guys. So this is the next big summit, the next big, I guess, conference you could say, for Cardano, right? And it's happening on September 25th and September 26th. Now, I'm making this video today as of September 23rd. So the first day of this summit is about 2 days away, right? 4 or 5, 2 days away. Sorry, I had to do the math in my head there real quick. You can roast me in the comments. But anyways, what I do think though is a really good news and a good sign is that they're taking what seems like the article said, a blockbuster approach to this event. This could be a very, very big deal. As you can see here, we have, I think these are some preview files that are kind of showing what we're going to expect or what we could be seeing here. It's kind of a digital, maybe even a kind of virtual reality type vibe that I get from this. It's very, very interesting stuff indeed. Could see some NFT stuff involved with here. Again, there's so much potential with this to not only announce obviously new developments with the project and new innovations that they're planning on creating over the next couple of years, but of course to just drum up hype for Cardano in general. Let's read a little bit more though. Here, expectations are riding high for the Cardano Summit. Last week, Sydney Vollmer, the head of brand and comms at the Cardano Foundation, began drumming up interest by teasing mind-blowing partnerships announcements at the summit. Don't really want to brag or anything, this is a quote by the way, don't really want to brag anything, but some of the partnerships we're announcing at the Cardano Summit will blow people's minds. Really grateful for the chances that we are getting and have to change the world for the better and have fun together. Tune in. Interesting stuff. So mind-blowing partnerships. Who could it be? Are there massive corporations that are going to maybe adopt Cardano and possibly think about using it as a payment system? Are there corporations that are going to basically kind of co-sign this coin in general and say that they like what the coin's utility is and where it's going in the future? There's a lot of what ifs, obviously, and we obviously don't know until it happens. But again, that's kind of exciting. You know, the fact that they're kind of teasing that. The tweet's timing was especially apt considering IOG had rolled out smart contract functionality 2 days before. And future D app development is something of a hot topic at present. So far, information on these mind-blowing partners remains under wraps, like I said. Let's read a little bit down here though. What can we expect at this summit? I previously mentioned the big draw of the Cardano Summit is the inclusion of virtual worlds for users to explore. They are named Main Stage, Utility Governance, Impact, Adoption, Catalyst, and Community. In addition, just like in a virtual game, attendees can interact with others in a speech bubble when in close virtual proximity. So it's kind of like a big game, guys. This is really, really innovative stuff. I've never seen any really other project or coin or anything do something like this. This is really, really cool. There's also a raft of videos, including the things investors want to know most about, news and major announcements, and as well as updates and interviews over the 2 days. 7 virtual worlds to explore, avatars that let you talk to community members from around the world, 48 hours of exclusive content, 80 exclusive videos from keynotes to major news announcements, updates, and interviews, and community showcase, limited edition NFTs. I called it. Well, I mean, I said it, you know, obviously before reading this article, but yeah, they're gonna have NFTs there too, limited edition stuff, which that could be a big deal if you get one of those. Could be a decent size or a decent amount of money, you know, especially if it's on the Cardano platform and everything. There's still a lot of development that's going on there, but again, guys, overall, I think that this event will do very well for Cardano. Not only is going to drum up a lot more hype and even speculation, right? Of people, you know, they think something's gonna happen, they think something else is gonna happen, and they're gonna watch it, obviously, either way. So I'm sure the attendance for this will likely be very good. And the pieces of news that are gonna be coming out about this, I think, are also going to be very good as well. I wouldn't be surprised as far as the price goes. Let's do a little bit of technical analysis here. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little bit of a run-up leading up to this event over the next couple of days. We already saw that a little bit here. Let's actually pull back a little bit further here. 3-month chart here. This is just better, just to kind of see everything that's going on. This is where we've been at, kind of a weird downtrend, but there was a little bit of an uptrend here as it kind of bottomed out here around the $1.95 level after that big dip that we saw over the weekend with most cryptos, not just this one, obviously. And now we're kind of pushing back up into those higher highs. If the summit goes well, I would not be surprised to see Cardano break through, you know, either previous resistances and push into higher price ranges up into kind of the mid 2s to maybe high 2s. Again, to get back to $3 though, there's quite a few levels that we're going to have to break in order to get back there. We have been there before though, not too long ago. So keep that in mind, obviously. But again, guys, this is a very exciting time. I really think that this project has a lot going for it, and everything that I just read from that summit makes me pretty bullish on it. I think the movement as far as price goes, hopefully will look good. Again, that'll be something we'll kind of have to gauge a few days out from the presentation, but I'm sure as the presentation is happening, as the summit is happening, as more events and announcements and everything in between are coming out, there might be a lot of catalyst stuff, guys. There might be a lot of pumps, there might be a lot of dumps. So be aware of that, be safe out there, guys. Manage your position. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it today for Cardano. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. When you guys use that link, not only do you support the channel, but you also get a free stock with Public. All you have to do is deposit $1. It's very easy, it's a great thing to do, and of course it helps support the channel, and it's a great social investing network to be a part of. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.